Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, we are making slow cooker carnitas. These take a little bit of effort up front, but they are so worth it. Once you finish cooking the carnitas and have clawed the meat apart, the meat goes under the broiler to add little crispy bits to the edges. This shredded pork is moist, it's tender, it's juicy, and it's got very rich porky-ness. Great flavor thanks to the spice rub, the orange juice, and about a cup of beer. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Now let me show you how to make it. Take a look at the ingredients, and I've also listed them and the recipe in the description box below. For the spice rub, measure out 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, a teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of onion powder, and a half teaspoon of ground black pepper. Give this a good stir and set it aside. Next, juice and zest 1 orange. The orange juice is going to help tenderize the meat, and it adds a little sweetness to the carnitas. For the pork, I'm using a pork shoulder butt. This one is almost 8 pounds, and it has the bone in. It's enough for 2 meals, so I'll cut it in half and then trim up the boneless piece that I'm using. I got this started a little late today, so for it to be ready in time for dinner, I'm cutting it into 3 large chunks, and I'll be cooking it on high for about 4 hours. If you have more time, you can also cook it on low for 6 to 7 hours. Generously rub the spice mixture all over the pork so that it's covered with these delicious flavors. If this is your first time at our channel, welcome. We're making easy, no-fail recipes you can make with confidence and share with everyone you love. And I would love to have you join us every week when we have a new recipe. Subscribe and hit the bell to find out when we've posted a new one. In the slow cooker, add the orange juice and the zest and about a cup of beer. Add the pork pieces, and they will simmer for hours in these aromatic flavors. Once the meat is done, take it out, and as it cools, I'm going to use 2 forks to shred the pork. And you can see how tender and juicy this is, and it smells amazing. You can use the carnitas just like this, or for tonight's dinner, I'm going to get this nice and crispy by sticking it under a high heat broiler for about 5 minutes. This recipe makes about 12 to 16 street tacos. We'll definitely have leftovers, so I'm keeping the extra in the pot, and then once we're ready, I'll crisp it up and serve it as tacos or burritos or nachos. I love this recipe, and me and my family love having carnitas as street tacos. What's your favorite taco filling? Beef, chicken, pork, fish, potatoes? Let me know in the comments below. And tell me what kind of taco you'd like to see next. Hey guys, if you like this recipe, give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us out. And if you're looking for more easy and delicious party food, check out this playlist I put together for you. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.